and welcome to From Stress to Relief. I am Rob Dixon, the owner of the Relax Nation and a licensed massage practitioner. Everyone knows that back pain is no fun. Back pain can put us in a tough position as we can hardly stay at home and rest all day, since that cannot be done when one is overloaded with daily tasks. In fact, according to the American Chiropractic Association, about 31 million Americans experience back pain at any given time. Globally, back pain is the single leading cause of disability, preventing many people from engaging in work and other everyday activities. Back pain is one of the most common reasons for missed work. Therefore, working with back pain can turn out to be a huge nightmare. What's even worse is the diagnosis. It is usually hard to figure out what is causing back pain in the first place and how to treat it accurately. Although back pain can be quite debilitating and painful, it is temporary, and pain improves in approximately 90% of cases without surgery. However, 50% of patients who suffer from episodes of back pain will have recurrent episodes within 1 year, especially low back pain, which is considered chronic when it persists for more than 12 weeks. Come to think of it, we all know at least one person who constantly struggles to do something as simple as standing up or sitting down. So we often end up asking the most important question: is therapeutic massage really good for back pain? Usually, many individuals look for pain medication that only provides temporary relief, and thorough treatment can be costly and not always effective. People with back pain ask for something that will help relieve the pain, help them get through the day, and ensure that they enjoy a sound sleep every night. A person can visit numerous doctors, but have they ever tried therapeutic massage? Unfortunately, very few people have tried it because most are still found asking themselves, is therapeutic massage really good for back pain, or are they just to provide temporary relief and relaxation? If you have yet to figure that out, let me help you discover in detail which statement is true. While many massage therapists offer the standard back massage with no long-term benefit to the individual, the Relax Nation offers the Pinnacle, which is our CBD therapeutic massage. My CBD branded recipe, along with my skilled hands, has yielded amazing results for our clients. The CBD recipe allows me to target the root problem, greatly increasing blood flow in the body, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and tissues and help eliminate harmful acids that are causing back pain. The result is a pain-free back. Still have questions? Here are some other ways in which you'll find your answer. When you remain idle for a long time, even a little bit of activity can cause different kinds of back pain. A Pinnacle therapeutic massage at the Relax Nation helps you get the relief you desperately need, making your muscles flexible and letting you have a sound sleep. Usually, when we are tensed and forced to sit in the same position for many hours, we can hardly relax, which can cause back pain. A therapeutic massage helps release endorphins and allows the body to unwind, become happy, and let your muscles relax. People who have fibromyalgia can experience pain in different parts of the body and specific spots. A massage practitioner will tend to those tender spots and help relieve your pain. Muscle strains are experienced by the best of us. Even athletes suffer from them. The straining of muscles usually occurs when we lift something heavy or bend the wrong way. Strain causes inflammation, which in turn causes spasms, and then we have wicked back pain. The Pinnacle therapeutic massage helps in reducing the spasm, making movement possible, and ultimately relieving the pain. Now that you have finally obtained the answer to is therapeutic massage really good for back pain, you can make an appointment at the Relax Nation. All you have to do is visit www.the-relaxnation.com and utilize our online scheduler. If you have trouble scheduling, there's a video tutorial next to the online scheduler button. Please be aware that all appointments are scheduled and only accepted online, not to disturb the therapeutic massage treatments of our clients. As we close the program today, I would appreciate your support for our channel here on YouTube. All you have to do is click on my picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll be subscribed. Also, for program updates on all our broadcasts, you can find that information on our Facebook page. Just type in the Relax Nation in the search string. I will see you next time as we explore stress and go from stress to relief on the Relax Nation channel. Goodbye.